You juggle school runs, rainy days, and see those driveway stains multiplying every year. Every crack or oil patch is another thing on your endless list. Hard to ignore, impossible to fix quickly. Repairs feel never-ending, and the work-in-progress patches break your curb appeal and your mood. This year, you finally book Seal King's annual seal coating. One call replaces all your anxiety. Their team works together, covering every spot, applying a resilient shield that blocks out rain and oil. Tomorrow, your driveway is flawless and shielded. Barrier tape tells everyone, this home gets taken care of. Seal King's yearly routine means zero stress, no cracks, and time saved for what matters. Call us at 7155-638-357 for free estimate.